This body lotion to lighten and glow your skin without any side effects. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking around. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button below so that you can get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And do not forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 best lightening body lotions without side effects. So if you're looking for a body lotion that will safely lighten up your skin without damaging your skin or making your skin look like you're bleaching, then you definitely need to keep on watching, because most of these body lotions will help to lighten your skin, clear out any form of pigmentations on your skin, and give you that smooth, spotless, glowing, fair skin. So let's dive right into it. So the first body lotion I'm going to be talking to you guys about is the Cereal White Gold Body Lotion. This is one of the best lightening body lotions to use if you want to safely lighten up your skin with no side effects. I've actually used this particular Cereal White body lotion before, and it's a very nice body lotion. Like, I used this when it was around 1,200 or 1,500 naira at the time, and it was very nice. I mostly talk about the white one here on my channel, but this gold one is also very good and effective when it comes to lightening up your skin. It's going to lighten up your skin and give you that beautiful glowing skin. Like, when you're using this particular body lotion, it gives a golden yellow skin tone. So if you really want to have that fair, glowing, beautiful skin, then this is definitely one body lotion I'll recommend you use. It's going to gradually lighten up your skin. It's not a quick action cream, and it does not contain hydroquinone. So this is a very nice and safe body lotion to use if you want to lighten up your skin without looking like you're bleaching your skin. It doesn't give dark knuckles, and it helps to even out your skin tone. So what this body lotion does mostly is that it's going to, first of all, soften your skin, smoothen your skin, and make your skin feel so silky smooth before it lightens your skin. It helps to blend your skin first, then lighten it up. So if you're using this Cereal White Gold body lotion, do not expect an overnight result. Like, it doesn't lighten your skin within 7 days. But if you use this consistently, trust me, you're going to love your complexion. It's going to give you that fair, beautiful, glowing skin. It doesn't feel greasy on the skin. And I love the fact that it's a body milk, so it's very moisturizing and hydrating on the skin. Whenever you apply this lotion to your skin, it's not going to make your skin feel greasy. Like, it's going to help moisturize and glow your skin. And the fragrance of this body lotion is really nice. So it's a very nice and safe lightening body lotion to use if you want to safely lighten up your skin without any side effects. It currently retails at the price of 3,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. So it's a very nice body lotion that you can use if you want to lighten up your skin. So the next or second lightening body lotion I'll be talking about is the Pure Max Whitening Carrot Body Lotion. This is another great body lotion to use if you want to lighten up your skin without any side effects. It's a strong lightening body lotion, and is formulated with ingredients like kojic acid, extract, glutathione, Moroccan oil, and organic herbs. So all these are safe skin lightening ingredients that will safely lighten up your skin without bleaching or damaging your skin. Like, if you know about glutathione and Moroccan oil, what they basically do is to lighten up your skin and clear out any form of dark spots or blemishes on your skin. So this Pure Max Whitening Carrot Body Lotion is so effective to the point that it's going to help clear out any blemishes on your skin and give you that smooth, spotless, flawless, glowing, fair skin. So if you want your skin to be popping, then definitely give this body lotion a try. It's not going to lighten your skin under 5 days as stated on the body. This is a body lotion that will lighten your skin and give you that healthy, beautiful, fair, glowing skin. It's going to lighten your skin without damaging your skin. So if you really want to get the best results using this Pure Max Whitening Carrot Body Lotion, just pair it with a moisturizing shower gel or body wash. You're going to love and enjoy using it on your skin. This is a body lotion that will lighten your skin. Like, you don't need to mix any serum into it in order to have that 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone. On its own, it's very active and it's going to give you 2 to 3 shades lighter skin tone with consistent use. It retails at the price of 5,000 naira or more, depending on where you're getting it from. So the next or third lightening body lotion I'll be talking about is this Pretty Woman Glutathione Berries body lotion. So this particular body lotion comes in 4 different variants, but the particular one I'm going to be talking about is the Glutathione Berries body lotion. The 4 variants are very good when it comes to skin lightening, but for some reason I actually prefer this one with Glutathione Berries because it contains SPF 30. So this is a very nice and safe lightening body lotion that will not just lighten your skin, it's also going to help protect and shield your skin away from the sun. Like, the formulation of this body lotion is actually similar to Pure Max Whitening Carrot body lotion. This particular body lotion is formulated with organic herbs, extracts, kojic acid, glutathione, Moroccan mint, caviar, and turmeric. And these are actually safe skin lightening ingredients that will lighten and glow your skin without damaging your skin. This body lotion do not contain any form of hydroquinone. It's going to lighten your skin and give you that beautiful fair glowing skin. If you want people to be asking you what you're using on your skin, this is definitely a body lotion that will help to lighten and give you that beautiful glowing skin. It's not a body lotion that will bleach your skin. It's going to even out your skin tone, give you a uniform complexion, and make your skin glow. So if you want to lighten up your skin tone, or you're battling from dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or uneven skin tone, then definitely give this body lotion a try. It's going to even out your complexion and make your fair skin glow. It's not a bleaching cream, so do not expect it to whiten or lighten your skin within 5 or 7 days. This is a body lotion that will gradually and evenly lighten up your skin. It retails at the price of 5,900 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. It's a very nice body lotion that will lighten and give you that fair, beautiful, glowing skin. So the next or fourth lightening body lotion with no side effect is the Smooth Extra Whitening Galuta C body lotion. This is actually one of my favorite lightening body lotions that won't give you any side effects. It's very moisturizing on the skin and it's going to help lighten your skin, give you a uniform complexion without damaging your skin or making you look like you're bleaching. This body lotion is not going to give you green veins, dark knuckles, stretch marks, or any form of irritations on the skin. This is a very nice body lotion that will lighten your skin and moisturize your skin. It's very hydrating on the skin and it easily absorbs into your skin without leaving any form of greasy feel on the skin. So this is a very nice and safe body lotion to use if you want to lighten and glow your skin. One thing I really love about this body lotion is the fact that it contains alpha hydroxy acid. So this is a body lotion that is going to gently and chemically exfoliate your skin, clear out all the dead skin cells on your skin, and give you that brighter, glowing skin. So if you want your skin looking radiant, then this is a body lotion you need to cop or add in your skincare routine. It's going to lighten up your skin and give you a radiant, glowing complexion. If you want to use this body lotion or you're already using this body lotion, you need to be big on sunscreen. Like, you need to wear your sunscreen on a daily basis because alpha hydroxy acid can make your skin to be sensitive to the sun. So you don't want the sun damaging your skin. You need to grab a sunscreen or use a sunscreen when using this body lotion. Like, you're definitely going to love and enjoy using this on your skin. If you're still not yet big on sunscreen, I will not advise you to get this body lotion. Or if you must really use this body lotion, use it mainly at night and get a moisturizing body lotion in the daytime. This body lotion is not going to lighten your skin under 3 days. This is a body lotion that is going to gradually and effectively lighten up your skin. Like within 2 weeks of consistent use, you're going to be seeing a visible effect on your skin. So this is a very nice and safe lightening body lotion that will lighten and glow your skin without any side effects. The price ranges from 4,000 naira to 5,000 naira depending on where you're getting it from. So it's a really nice body lotion that will lighten and glow your skin. So the fifth or final best lightening body lotion that I'll be talking about is this Yoko Milky body lotion. This is another excellent body lotion that will lighten and glow your fair skin without any side effects. You know, when it comes to most lightening or whitening body lotions, most of them can actually be drying on the skin. But with this Yoko Milky body lotion, you're going to be getting both a moisturizing body lotion and the lightening lotion. This is a body lotion that will lighten and glow your skin. This is an excellent body milk. So believe me when I say this body lotion, applying it to your skin is going to make your skin feel so soft, smooth, healthy, and glowing. And is actually formulated with valuable nutrients and vitamins that will help to lighten and glow your skin. So this body lotion contains ingredients like yogurt, milk protein, strawberry extract, mulberry extract. So this is a very nice body lotion that will gently and gradually lighten up your skin with consistent use. It's not a quick action cream or a bleaching cream, so do not expect results overnight. If you're consistent with this body lotion, trust me, you're going to love your skin. It's going to give you that skin like milk. So if you want that flawless, fair, glowing skin tone, then this is one body lotion I'll definitely recommend you get. It's very nice and it's going to lighten your skin without any adverse effects. This is a very nice and safe lightening body lotion that will lighten and glow your skin. It retails at the price of 4,500 naira or more, depending on where you're getting it from. So all these body lotions will safely lighten up your skin without any damages. Like none of them contains hydroquinone, mercury, or steroids that will harm or damage your skin. So if you're using any of this body lotion to lighten up your skin, you need to always exfoliate your skin and do not forget to always apply a sunscreen. So that is basically it on the best lightening body lotions without side effects. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.